Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. In today's video, we are going to revise lesson number 1, living and non-living. We are going to revise this lesson for the preparation of periodic assessment 1. So in today's video, we will try to cover up the complete topics and the concept of this lesson, and we will go through textbook exercises also and some definitions and question answers. Okay, so let's start our lesson, living and non-living. Okay, so what are living things and what are the non-living things? So with some examples with the pictures, the concept is explained very clearly. So here we can see one girl, she is having a puppy dog, and here one boy, his name is Mohit, he is having a toy car. So what Sandra is having a puppy dog, that is a living thing, and what Mohit is having a toy car, that is a non-living thing. So what is the difference between a non-living thing and non-living thing? The first property of living thing is living things need food and water to grow. Okay, living things need food and water to grow. As here this puppy dog and Sandra both are living things. So here puppy dog is eating something. So it is living thing and it needs food and water. Remember this point. When we compare this with a non-living thing, that is toy car, it does not need any food or water. That's why this boy is playing with it. He is not giving any food to car. He is not feeding his car. But here Sandra is feeding his puppy because it is a living thing. So living things need food and water. Non-living things does not need any food or water to grow. Okay. Next, here in the next picture you can see Sandra's puppy sleeps in a basket. The puppy needs air to breathe. Here you can see the sound where puppy is sleeping. He is breathing also. So living things need to breathe the air. As we breathe in and breathe out, no? Like that, this puppy is also breathing in. So living things need to breathe the air. But toy car, Mohit kept in the showcase, it does not need to breathe the air. Here you can see living thing puppy is drinking water, and toy car, it does not need any water. Here you can see this Lucy, this puppy's name is Lucy. It is growing in size. So living things can grow in size, but toy car remains same in the size. This toy car is not growing in the size. So living things can grow in size, non-living things cannot grow in size. Here when this Sandra left her Lucy in the garden, so it is moving by its own. It is running, playing, you can see. But toy car cannot play by itself. Here Mohit need to push it for the running. So living things can move by themselves, move by itself, but non-living things cannot move by itself. Okay. Here in this picture we can see Sandra comes back from school. So here Lucy is showing her love. So when it get hurt, it cries. But for the toy car, it don't get hurt and it don't cry. So living things can respond to the changes. When this Lucy is seeing a stranger, a guest on the door, it is barking. Okay, it is shouting. But by seeing the same guest, this car is not making any sound. Car is not doing anything. So living things can respond to the changes, and they have sense organs. They have sense organs. They can see, they can hear, they can smell. Okay, but non-living things cannot do these things. Living things have 5 sense organs. What are the sense organs? Our eyes, ears, skin, tongue. Okay, these are our sense organs by which we can see, we can smell, we can hear, we can touch. Okay, so these sense organs living things are having, non-living things does not. Next is Lucy is full grown dog now. Now Lucy has grown up and became a full grown up dog. But the Mohit's car remains same in size. It is not growing. Okay. Here you can see this grown up dog, it has given the babies. So living things can reproduce their babies, but non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things can reproduce, non-living things cannot reproduce. Next, a dog dies when it grows old and falls sick, but toy car remains same. Living things can fall sick and they can die one day, but non-living things, they does not die. Okay. So what are the differences we have seen for the living things and non-living things? Remember, living things need food, water to grow. Non-living things does not need any food and water. Living things need to breathe the air. Non-living things does not need any air to breathe. Living things can move in search of food. Non-living things cannot move by their own. Living things can respond to the changes and they have 5 sense organs. But non-living things cannot react. They cannot respond to changes. Living things can have babies, they can reproduce, but non-living things cannot. Living things can born, grow in size, grow old, fall sick and die. But non-living things do not grow big or change in size. They do not die, they break or fade over a period of time. Okay, here the text part is completed. Now we will see some exercises. Quick check the statements true or false. The first statement is living things need food, water, air to live. So this statement is correct. We have to write T for true. If it is correct, we have to write T for true. If it is wrong, we have to write F for false. Okay. Non-living things can respond to changes around them. No, they cannot respond. That is false. Our leg is one of the sense organ. Is our leg a sense organ? No. Our 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, and skin and tongue. Legs are not our sense organs. Okay, that is false. To reproduce means to have babies. Yes, correct, true. Here we will see in some new words in the word bank. Here are the definitions. What are sense organs? Parts of our body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste or feel. They make us aware of the changes taking place around us. So what are sense organs? The parts of the body which help us to see, hear, smell, taste or feel. They are sense organs. What is the meaning of reproduce? Producing the young baby. So here are tick the correct option. First is a non-living thing does not grow. Correct. Here 4 options are given. You have to tick correct answer. A non-living thing does not grow. A living thing uses 5 sense organs, no sense organs, both A and B, none of the above. So correct answer is 5 sense to respond. Next question, animals reproduce. How the animals reproduce? With the help of seeds? No. With the help of their roots? No. Through stomata? No. They reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth. That is correct answer. Next, plants make their own food by gathering things around them in the presence of air, water and sunlight. So plants make their food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Correct answer is a human baby grows. A human baby grows. How does they grow? Into a huge tree, does not change and does not fall sick into an adult. Correct answer is a human baby grows into an adult. Next question, leaves breathe through stomata, gills, fins, none of this. Correct answer is stomata. Next, some plants give rise to a new plants with the help of root, stem and leaves. Photosynthesis, none of this, both 1 and 2. Correct answer is root, stem and leaves. Okay children, that's it for today's video. Inshallah, in the next video, we will revise lesson number 2. So go through the video, watch it carefully, completely and prepare for the test. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.